it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by Tracy Ann over at Secondhand Tracy Ann. The name of this collaboration is called the Creative Candle Holders Challenge. What she's asked us to do is to take a pair of candle holders. They could be new, they could be thrifted, there could be something you already have. And as you can see in the back here, I have a 2 Dollar Tree tall tea light holders that I've already had in my stash. So this is gonna be a really simple DIY for you guys. And I am going to jump into it right now. Is my final project. I have to say I really like how they turned out. I know they are quite different and they are probably not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but the ornaments that I use match the other ornaments and the other collaboration that I did yesterday. So I think they turned out really well. I did take the assembly of the pine cone ornaments and the tea light and glue it down inside the candle holder with some hot glue just to make it nice and stable, but it is easily removable. And the tea lights for this are not very strong. They are from the Dollar Tree. So if you were going to be using this to actually do some lighting, I would probably get some tea lights from somewhere else that are a little bit stronger. But besides that, I am showing it here with my thrifted pumpkin and a normal candle, and I think it is quite lovely. I may even keep them and display them along with my centerpiece that I did before. So I want to thank Tracy Ann so very much for including me in this collab. I will list her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in this challenge. Please go by and show them all some love. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacey Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead now and hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacey Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.